What's up guys, today I'm back with another video. Today we are trying to get to stink, but we are act like we are the one prank. We are the one story time. Oh, at the final, but we're not doing no story time. We have to smell stink, we are going to talk more, we are going to do that. Just want to like and subscribe. We still start the video, yeah guys.
Yes, you would. Yes.
What's up guys? Today the new exclusive day of another video. Today we are going do a story time. Oh, other bunny time. So want to stay too. Who attack first? Ready for this talk? No matter.
Mommy talk. See from small.
I was smell so. I smell it, Lilian.
Can't smell me.
I smell you. Teacher, I smell you.
I smell it too, but my name really too.
No, man, teacher, let's go.
Teacher.
And your head stink. And your mouth.
Right. Teacher, let's stink.
Smell a weed.
No, you're not arguing.
Teacher, let's smell a weed.
Come,
you're right.
small.
You're right.
Teacher, let's smell a weed.
More right, Phyllis.
Yeah. Teacher, let's smell a weed. Nelly, smell a
Nelly, don't.
Nigga, from mom smell a
if you ever help me.
You wake. You wake.
So guys, some small.
Teacher, daughter.
Man, teacher smell good.
You need to go be.
Yeah, man, it froze. Teacher.
And your mouth froze.
Hey!
Come here. Come here.
Shut up.
Like, I could do that.
Stink, you know?
Just think bad. I'm not like teacher. Think again that thirsty to your wife. Mom, what are the truth? I Nelly smell bad too.
No, never.
Nelly
don't smell me. Can't smell me, that's one thing.
Teacher, smell me.
Teacher, you just have to tell the truth.
She don't like hear the truth. She always don't go up in her feelings and go yard.
Don't smell now.
Just
You
think.
stop calling and whoever feel like sound, you can style, man. I wouldn't, man.
It's frozen.
No, but
You frozen. Boy, what? My too shut. No way smell like us.
No, Nelly, don't.
hey, if you ever touch me,
No.
It smell like us. Us need smell
teacher,
bad.
I'm not telling them. I'm telling the truth.
It's
No,
stink.
I can't tell that.
Stinky. Watch ya. Stinky. I like it stinky. But I never get stink like you, man.
I'm telling you. You see? No, man. You
Yeah,
know,
we
we
don't
story
do a
time,
video.
but
We are doing story time about teacher.
yeah,
But teacher
smell
frozen.
a weed. Hey, man, you let me, no? Teacher smell a weed.
Teacher.
No, we are gonna cut out that video. We are cut out that video here, but she smell a weed. Come right there, so come smell her. Come right there, so come smell her, no? Just come right there, so come smell her, no? Yeah. Cause come right there, so come smell her. Cut that now. Done. You just know.
Done.
Teacher.
You
Even could have put on roll on.
You frozy.
Look,
Frozy.
arm need an ear.
Our ear frozy.
Don't touch me.
You want to be here?
They need to pull out these
Then
braids.
touch her.
Because it's scary. Oh, watch out. We only move. Stop wanting now. Tinky Winky.
You frozy. Period.
Stop the mouth up. No, but honestly, teacher, if you don't like your truth.
In the truth, always hurt.
This man, shut up.
Can't diss me, and me these people. Can't diss me, chat too much. No, but look, no, Phyllis, look at it. Fun and joke, smell her.
Just think
I was like,
bad.
me, the writer, so she definitely they be said, I mean, no, say no, say me
So
again.
the same comes up a box, left, right, and center.
No, but listen.
Oh God.
We made girl feel
No,
bad
feel
in
away,
herself.
but teacher,
Catch that!
we are friends.
If we are friends,
But
we
say
are
if you
cousins.
never am friend, no, they are going around. You stop in a talking to them.
I die.
I know if teacher touch me, if you take the chew, because you stink, just hold it.
Smell like her.
All that teddy bear smell better than us.
Yes.
Mama smell better than us.
Teacher smell like us, the madman named Palero.
No, listen to
Stop
me.
in a Brother, stop in a deal with me.
Listen
I
to
don't want none now no deal with me.
We don't have to deal with Posey.
Don't deal with me.
We don't have to deal with Stinky.
Don't deal with me.
You stay.
Don't deal with me.
You stay. You stinky winky. Do the stinky leg. Do the stinky leg.
Start the story time.
Do the stinky.
Start the story
Do still. We cannot start the story time.
Start the story time now.
I other band. No, honestly, more start. But every time we start it.
Teacher said this
Watch
alright.
out, just see some fly past camera, you know. Fly them a picture for a while.
You're mad.
Honestly.
Stinky.
Nelly.
Monster.
Stinky.
Don't touch her, yeah, because she smell like weird.
No, more.
You do the stinky.
Watch out.
Don't touch me.
But you said,
Now move, cry for your body.
no,
cry.
done. We're not trouble this time. Fuck me, Tisha. Yeah.
You have be an afternoon.
Just low one.
You have be
Low one. Listen. No, to be honest, Tisha, me roll away your cousin. Your cousin, this is sister.
that thing too.
Oh. Lord, the girl, boy.
Pretty.
No.
Arena.
Look, listen, to be frank, she smell like weird. We're not supposed to allow it.
Poor Tisha. Who starts to time? So,
Pinky. Other one.
Yeah. I want some to cover my nose. I cannot talk.
I have that body because you don't know we are going together. I want to cross out us. We don't really related about what have each other as close. We have each other as relative because
Monsoon.
we go together, guys. So
And just mama feel uncomfortable.
Cause they break them when
cannot
stick
even
up,
pronounce
don't
the
touch
word.
me, Lillian. Do
Tisha,
not
just take time and
touch
Tisha,
it.
take time and talk by your sting. Just take time.
Yeah, when you stop with that.
No, but if you
But you have to know.
if you smell alright now, Prudence. It smells. Not because we have to tell her the truth.
Stinky leg.
Oh,
People, yeah. That people, yeah. Stinky.
Monsoon, come on.
What is with stinky?
Stinky, yo, stink. The fact you mean stink. You laugh.
Stinky, you stink.
no one.
What's your laughing at?
You're the stinky
Oh,
leg.
buy one.
You just think like, don't think like. Oh, yeah, like it stink like.
Am I mood?
And you can't get one more,
No.
fresh.
Must think I'm a pro that I walk.
You're not proud. You
I'm
know
a pro that walk.
You must be a dietitian.
Girl, enough smell so.
You're fresh.
And you not play football. You just wake up. Look like you never bathe, you never brush your teeth, you never.
I think.
You know what your ear from it do. You think, brother.
You just done in my life.
If you ever say the word was, watch. Teacher and them from yesterday.
She don't be that. You see when teacher comes to her, he said this comes to her.
Right now it's a prank.
Show them, man.
Come here, prank. Not touch me. What's a prank?
Tisha, like prank. You not smell no way. A prank.
Do not, no.
You stink.
No man, Tisha.
No, the girl is a prank.
You proud of your stinkness. Me like you. Me like you.
We'll catch you. We'll catch you, Tisha. When I catch you.
You smell like doo-doo.
When I catch you.
Prank war start now.
So,
Make sure.
so,
Make sure.
so. Yeah.
Make sure to like,
Subscribe,
share,
comment,
turn that notification on, and you don't know so
say.
And you make you ball to the sick. Watch.
No, say it's a girl, Nelly, right through.
It's a girl, Bianca.
you don't know your girl not have it. Have it.
And Stinky.
Stinky winky.
Stinky leg. Do the stinky leg.
Peace out, peace out.
Peace out.